Welcome to this clip. This is a one-off clip to students to ensure that they undertake all the activities under this checklist. As you can see here, student to do checklist. So students need to complete all these activities in this checklist by the start of the third week of teaching. That is by the end of this week or at the beginning of next week. Right, the first item is you need to buy the textbook and access code to the Connect platform. Okay, this is 85 ringgit, or you can at least purchase the access code to the Connect platform, which is 60 ringgit. And you can get this at Pustaka Union Changlon. So this is the main activity. You need to do this by the end of the second week, or by the start of the third week. Right, the next item is you need to access UUM Online Learning, the learning portal. We call this UOL for the course. For this course there is UOL for this, so you just go to that portfolio for the course and download and read the following documents. Okay, the first document is using Connect. I'll show you how the portal looks like. I'll show it to you in a moment. Alright, this is how the portal would look like. This is of course my page, but I've taken the role of the student here. So your page should look something like this as well. This is for BWFF 2033 Financial Management Group P. So you'll have a similar page for Group S as well. So this is Group P, but you will have a similar page for Group S. So you can see here, these are the documents that I mean. I'll just shift it slightly to the left, so you can see from the margin here. Alright, so these are some of the documents that you need to download. So the first one is using Connect. So this is important because once you have purchased the access code to the Connect platform, so you need to understand this, how to use, how to register, and so on. So you need this document, so you can download and read this document. Now let's go back to the note, or the checklist. Let's look at the checklist now. Right, so using Connect, then there is an introductory notes there, so you can download the document and read that. The courses scheme of work, or SOW. The lecturers, that is mine, week schedule, the week schedule of, so this document gives the room number, my telephone, my office telephone number, my email, and so on, and the consultation hours. Then the individual assignment, there's a document on the individual assignment that the student needs to do. Alright, so all these are available here. Let me show you again this page here. So all these documents are here. Not all of them are important, so you can download and read all the others, but this one is very important, the scheme of work, SOW, then the introductory notes, then using Connect, and the week schedule. So all that are indicated in this checklist. Going back to the checklist, now that is the second activity. So you need to tick this first, buy the textbook and the access code, then access all these documents and read through these documents, then watch the video, video clips and playlist in my YouTube channel. This is the link. You click on this link, you just control and click on this link. You'll go to this page. Let me show you this page here. Alright, this page here, this is my channel. You can see my picture here, Anggapan Ragupati. So it says, it provides my name here, and it provides all the videos, video clips. You can actually go to playlist, playlists, and you can play, there are 3 playlists here. There will be more later on in the semester as the semester progresses. So you need to view this course introduction, chapter 1 and chapter 2, all that you need to do before the end of this week. Alright, going back to this, watch the video clips and our playlists in my YouTube channel for chapters 1 and 2, particularly chapter 1 and 2. The introductory notes, this is covered in the document, so you can read the document. You don't have to actually watch the video, but if you want, you can also watch the video for the introductory notes. So that's the third activity. Watch the video, so you can click on this link to go to that YouTube page. Alright, then answer all questions given in online learning forum. Alright, forums on first, second, third and fourth class replacements, for the purpose of recording attendance for these classes. So as you already know, we did not have any face-to-face class for the first 2 weeks of lectures. This is to avoid infection from this COVID-19 virus. So due to this circumstance, we have postponed or we have cancelled all face-to-face classes and replaced them with online classes. So in order to record attendance, provide attendance for those who have come for the class. In this case, you can't come physically for the class because there was no face-to-face class. But there will be online classes. There were online classes. So you need to watch these videos and then answer the questions in UUM Online Learning. So let's go to that page now, the UUM Online Learning. It's here. If you go down that page, okay, so this is the first class replacement. If you click on this, you need to have watched the video first. It's a bit slow today. So here you have. So so you need to this question and answer forum. In order to see other responses of this question, you must first post your answer. So you need to click on this. After watching the video, answer the questions below. You click on this. Right now there are already 80 replies. That means 80 students have already responded. So 80 from group P have attended the class. This is how I will take note. You can click on this, and then you can answer. This is the question. These are the questions. These are the questions, and then you can reply. Click on this. You can't see it here. Let me just shift it to the right a little bit. There is permalink and reply. So you can click on this reply in order to answer the questions. As I see, many students have already done this. I think this is quite clear. Alright, let's go back to this page. Let me just shift it back slightly to the left so that you can see. Right, now let's go back to the document. So you need to do this. Answer the questions given for the first, second, third and fourth class replacements. So these are again. Let's go back to this page here. Let's go back to the main page of the course. So this is the first class replacement. You can click on this to answer the questions for the first class. This will have the second class replacement. You can click on this to answer questions in order to gain attendance for the second class. That is for the first week. And then for the second week, week 2, you have third class replacement. So you click on this to answer questions. And then the fourth class. So all this you need to do by the end of the second week. So the first week, I think there is a time limit. So you need to answer by the end of the last week. And this one by the end of this week. So you need to answer before the end of this week. Alright, now so this are some of the things that you need to do. Let's go back to the document again. The checklist document. So we have covered that. Answer all questions given in UOL, UUM Online Learning. Now the next activity that you need to do is gain access to the Connect platform. Once you have bought the book and the access code, Now note this, the book is important, but if you cannot, you can't afford to buy the book, you need to buy at least the access code, that is 60 ringgit, so it's cheaper by 25 ringgit. Okay, so all the content in the textbook will be in the Connect platform. There will be a smart book, there will be an e-book. Okay, and therefore this is as good as the textbook, in fact better, because it has many other features. Okay, so if you can't buy, the textbook is useful because you can use it beyond the term. You can always use the textbook as reference. You can keep it with you. But this access to Connect platform is limited by time. So you can use it for 2 semesters, beyond which then you need to renew, you need to buy again. So this one has a definite expiry date. The textbook you can use it forever. So if you can afford it, then I would encourage you, strongly encourage you to buy both. But if you have financial difficulty, then you must buy at least the access code, which is 60 ringgit. So once you've got that, you've got the access code, then you need to gain access to the Connect platform. So you need to click on this. You click on this, you'll go to this page. Let me just show you that page now. It is here. You will come to this page. You will see my instructor there, my name here. Alright, and then fundamentals of corporate finance. So you need to key in your email, and then you start registering. You can begin. You can start here. And then it will ask for your access code and so on. Then how to do this? This is explained in this document here. Using Connect. Using Connect, this first document. So you need to download and read through this. Alright, then finally, this is second last. So after having got this, then you can do the reading assignments in the Connect platform. Alright, then the next activity is you need to join as a member in this Facebook group that is created for this particular group of PNS for financial management. I'll show you the group here. It looks something like this. This is the page. You need to join as a member. This Facebook page. In order to join, there will be 3 membership questions. So you answer those 3 questions, you will be automatically included as a member of this group. This is important because I will be making announcements in this Facebook page. This is more accessible for students. Alright, then going back to the document here, the last activity, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are new videos uploaded, then it will notify you, and then you can watch the new videos. So these are the checklists. You need to make sure that all these are done by the end of this week, before the start of class for next week. And next week we will have quiz as well as assignment. So you need to be prepared for those. Alright, that's all for this video. We'll stop here. Thank you.